Behind me, I've got an innovative world-first tub rack design, and it's launching right here on the Chev 2500 platform. It's also got all the goodies from Big Dog Builds. We're going to get into all of it now and show you all around it. We're going to go through lift, wheels and tyres. We're going to talk about the Big Dog Build Chevy accessory rack. We're going to talk about this impressive underseat battery setup that'll power all your needs. We've got all the air on board needs sorted. We've got one of the world's lightest 270-degree awnings to talk about. We've got a new, innovative, awesome-looking tub rack. We've got UHFs to talk about on folding brackets, LED lighting both on the roof rack and the front bar. This one's even got an integrated winch. So let's get this one into the workshop. Lift, wheels and tyres is the first consideration on your Chevy 2500 build. The weight of the vehicle, what you're doing with the vehicle, what you're towing, all plays an important factor here. This one here is running a Cognito 3-inch performance kit. All of your considerations with the weight of the vehicle, how you're loading it up, where you're traveling plays an important factor here. This one here has the Cognito upper control arms as well as the Fox remote res shocks. You might be thinking, what are remote res shocks? I'm glad you asked. Remote Reservoir is that thing here. So this one being a Fox 2.5 remote res, the reservoir holds the extra oil capacity and controls the flow rate into the shock body itself. The DSC in these Fox 2.5s means dual speed compression. So you've got low speed and high speed, all at the twist of a dial. The rear shocks are also Fox 2.5 remote res. These are piggyback shocks with the adjustment dials on there as well. And on the back here, we've also got the double bellow airbags for the leaf helpers. And for a rear end setup like this one, the GVM Upgrade still up at that massive 5,500 kilo range. The GVM engineering plate looks like this one here. It's got the mod codes on it and your new GVM Upgrade. Next, we take the paperwork into your local transport authority. Make sure you got your truck license sorted, because vehicles with the GVM Upgrade over that 4.5 ton GVM are a national heavy vehicle. While we're in here, let's talk about the Switchpro. It's probably easier if we get one not installed in a vehicle. The controller here that you normally see in the windscreen has got a nice neat cable that runs from inside the cab to the engine bay. The unit is powered with one simple fuse, and then we've got your multicolored outlet wires. So this is your ignition trigger, your high beam trigger, as well as 8 individual circuits. May look confusing, but for the skilled technicians here at Big Dog Builds, these mean everything. Now we've talked about the Switchpro, we'll also talk about comms. The GME XRS 370 unit is one of the most popular ones. We'll show you how the fold down bracket works. And the GME unit up on the roof rack here is the best solution on the GME folding bracket. And from what I hear, the cool kids run it at 45 degrees. The lights on this roof rack make it super simple. We've got 4 LED work lights on the side. We've got the curved 50-inch Stedi light bar on the front. We have got a new exciting feature here with a new light to market, so stay tuned for that one. We can also run a whole range of accessories, Max-Trax mounts, shovel mounts, solar panels, you name it. The super simple T-slot crossbars have these roll nuts that you simply put into the channel. We've got M6, M8 solutions there for all of the tie-down needs and other accessories. This LED light definitely packs a punch. We've got the Lazerlamp RR16 in this chassis unlimited front winch bumper. This one's also got the carbon 15K off-road winch. We'll rip that one out and show you what it's all about. Oof. This one's super heavy. I reckon we throw it up there and I'll show you a bit more about it. This one has the synthetic rope. You've got your clutch in here. Simply turn that 90 degrees and you can free spool that one out. Then you've got the wireless remote control. Stop looking. Got it. Got your wireless remote control there that you simply hold those 2 buttons down. That one connects to the receiver. You've simply got an in and out, as well as a hardwired solution if the battery does run flat. So don't forget, take a few batteries on your trip. These carbon off-road winches definitely pack a punch. Under the bonnet there, you've got your isolator for your winch, got the controller ready to rumble, and under here as well is the Switchpro as we showed earlier. So nice, neat under bonnet solution here for all of the switching needs for the vehicle. Keeps the engine bay super nice and tidy. You've got another couple of little MIDI fuse holders for your rear Anderson plugs. That's as simple as it is. That was a whole lot of power. Speaking about a whole lot of power, we've got the 200 amp DCS lithium underneath the back seat here. Massive 2000 watt inverter. We've got the fuses, the DC-DC charger for all of the outlets in the back there. The inverter being a 2000 watt, I think I might have just found the perfect solution for the Chevy bed steps. While I'm waiting for the coffee to brew, let's show you what we've been brewing here at Big Dog Builds. This amazing looking tub rack from RAX Australia is an innovative new product that I haven't seen before for these American heavy duty trucks. With a super neat locking system inside the tub here, billet aluminium feet. This one can adapt to multiple different tonneau covers on the back of your HD truck. Can literally get removed in a matter of minutes. Another neat feature with the T-Rax units are over here. It's got a super neat wiring solution that's inside the T-slot channel. You've got things like MaxTrax mounts, rear brake lights, and you can run things like work lights all around the system with an easy Deutsch plug-in behind the rear tail light assembly. I haven't seen anything like this one. I'm super impressed. Stay tuned for more and more vehicles getting released to the market for RAX Australia. The super simple air on board situation for this one. Simply turn on the button. You've got your ARB air outlet there. You can do all of your tyres around the vehicle, as well as the caravan at the back. And I'm sure you're going to be helping out the mates that don't have air on board. Delicious. If you like this Chevy video, guys, check that one out there. This one here is wicked also.